Headed over to Atlantic City, there's something special. In the Boardwalk Hall, there's a organ that has some amazing history, often known as Midmer-Losh and Sonic Mount Rushmore. It is truly a historical significant music instrument, and here's the breakdown of some of those facts. Well, it's the world's largest in the world. It holds the record for the largest pipe organ by the number of pipes, while the official contracted number was 29,524. It has grown during construction, and various sources in the city say it ranged right around 32,928. But the official total is 33,100. And the exact number has been debated for some time. I wish we don't go up there and count them all, but that is a big number. That's actually a lot of pipes when you think about it, 33,000. Well, it's also the largest pipe stop. The house hosts the world's largest organ stop with a 16-foot grand slide, which can produce 130 decibels, 6 times louder than the loudest train whistle. Now, the massive weight, the organs weigh over 150 tons. That's big. Now, the sound is in the venue of the Boardwalk Hall, which is 14.6 million cubic feet of enclosed air space, boosting the actual sound of some of those musicians that come through. Playing the range, it also boosts an impressive 12-octave playing range. The organ was built by Midmer-Losh Company in Long Island, New York, and was designed by Emerson L. Richards, who was a native of Atlantic City, died in 1963, and a New York State Senator. And the organ itself was his passion, and he had innovative ideas in influencing the organ beyond Atlantic City, earning him the Commission-in-Chief of the American Revolution of Organ Building. Now, the construction period, well, that took place from May 1929 and was completed December 1931. The cost was right around $450,000 to $500,000, which was a significant amount of money at the time. The pipes were made from all different types of material, but mostly lead, zinc, and tin, and some even wood ones with sugar cane. Now, many of the pipes were made on site and helped set up right there in shop. Most of the pipes were made from a Philadelphia-based company and a German firm that focused on significant designs of these pipes. Consoles, well, the main 7-manual keyboard is located right in front of the stage with stop keys featuring 1,200 stop keys and 850 speakers and just a ton of other pieces of music instruments that I don't understand. But overall, there's a lot. This is something that I want to go over there and take a look at. I mean, even the electric blowers from the power of the organ can produce 1,000 horsepower, just to pull some pieces of information out of here. They did have some damages in 1944 with the hurricane, making significant damage to this area in Boardwalk Hall, which was flooded with seawater. And maybe we'll get out there and visit it ourselves. We don't want to waste too much time. We want to bring to you these short, independent videos, but maybe even get boots on the ground and visit and hear for ourselves this beautiful instrument. That's going to do it for our video. Keep a lookout for more videos to come. This is the Professor. When we're not golfing, we're trying to learn about some of these amazing historical places in your local area.